Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. The radii of two circles are 5 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having its area equal to sum of areas of these two circles. Now we know area of a circle is given by pi r square. For 5 centimeter radius circle, area equal to pi into 5 square, which is equal to 25 pi, and for 15 centimeter radius circle, area equal to pi into 15 square, which is equal to 225 pi. Therefore, a circle having area as sum of these two areas will be area of required circle will be equal to 225 pi plus 25 pi, which is equal to 250 pi. Now, the radius of circle with area as 250 pi is nothing but this represents radius square. Radius square. Therefore, radius equal to square root of 250 centimeter. This will be centimeter square, this centimeter square. So required radius is square root of 250 centimeters, which if we simplify will be 25 into 10. So 5 root 10 centimeters. This is required radius. This is the answer.